Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is something I have wanted to start for a year and never got around to it. So I am determined to make it every effort to make this as a reality this year. And here I am. My name is Laxman. I am originally from Jaffna, Sri Lanka. I have been living in the UK for the last 2 decades. I'm also a husband and a father who works in a composite manufacturing industry as a research and development manager. I'm a chartered engineer and an engineering doctorate, and I'm also pursuing an MBA. I'm an introvert, well, at least according to this test, which is probably why it is taking this long to start a YouTube channel. If you haven't found out your personality, try this test. It only takes maximum of 10 minutes. The link is in the description below. The main reason for starting this YouTube channel is to share my life lessons that I have learned along the journey. I hope you find my videos enlightening and informative. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.